There are 365 in a year, and there are 24 hours in a day, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. But can you please give 3 minutes in God? Asia 33 verse 19. Never lose hope just when you think it's over. God will make you way for you. Matthew 19 verse 26. With God, all things are possible. John 13 verse 7. You don't understand now what I'm doing, but someday you will. Philippians 4 verse 13. Can do all things through him who gives me strength. Matthew 19 verse 26. With God all things are possible. Psalm 118 verse 6. The Lord is on my side, I will not fear. Luke 18 verse 1. Pray and never give up. Song of Song 3 verse 4. I found the one my heart loves. John 15 verse 16. You didn't choose me, but I chose you. Lamentation 3 verse 22. My love for you will never fall. John 14 verse 16. I will always love you. Psalm 100 verse 15. My love for you will never end. Peter 4 verse 8. Love without conditions. Bye and thank you. God bless you all.